The nature of electric charge. Discovery of charge. The Greek first noticed the electric charge by rubbing amber with fire. Then picking up bits of a metal. The Greek word of amber is electron. Actually, the Benjamin Franklin arbitrarily called the two kinds of charges, which is called as positive and negative. In most of cases, only the negative charge is mobile. The properties of charge. Like charge repel and unlike charges always attracts. Charge is conserved, meaning it can't be created or destroyed. The charge can only transfer from one location to the another. In all atoms, electrons have negative charge and protons have positive charge. And the charge is always quantized, meaning it comes in discrete amounts like money. The total charge in an atom is equals to integer into a fundamental unit of charge. Insulators and conductors. The insulators, nothing but the electrons are bound in orbit to the nucleus in each atom. When the charge is placed on an insulator, it stays in one origin and does not distribute, which is predicted in this diagram. Wood for this plastic and air cloth wood are the good examples for an insulator. Conductors. In general conductors, the electrons can move from atom to atom, thus electricity can flow. When charges is placed on a conductor, it redistributes entire the surface in the outer area. For these conductors, the best examples, what I say is metals, or that is copper, gold, and aluminum, are the best conductors. The polarization. The polarization is the separation of charge in a material. In a conductor, free electrons can move around the surface of the material, leaving one side is in positive and the other side is in negative. Inducing the electron movement within a conductor, the electron field, when we are keeping as very near for a conductor, the electron will get the repulsion from this and it will move